Welcome back, guys, to the channel. As you know, we are doing the weekend series where we'll be analyzing the next possible moves on the currencies we choose. So this is a video about JPY pairs. As you see, we are starting with the AUD JPY. Now if you first go into the 4-hour chart, we'll see here that AUD JPY broke the support level at 995, and right now we are seeing a retest. We are seeing a rejection at that level exactly. So this is a 4-hour supply zone that was rejected on Friday, and we are expecting a continuation to the demand zone of 93. So if you jump into the 1-hour time frame, you can see clearly here that this supply zone has been retested twice. So this is a double top right there. So we might see a break of this and retest to the downside. So AUD JPY definitely this week is going to be on the bearish side. So guys, just keep following, and if we get any confirmation, we'll be posting on the Telegram channel, guys. So let's see the next currency, which will be New Zealand JPY. Okay, you can see there that we have a 4-hour supply also on New Zealand, which was, this zone was rejected on Friday. We can see right there, because this is a 1-hour time frame. We can see that touching the supply zone, and we get a good rejection off there. So we are expecting a move to the zone of 86.6. If you look into the 4-hour time frame right there, you can also notice that supply zone. So we still have another supply zone above there, but right now we are waiting for a good rejection on New Zealand JPY in this zone, so we can go full on the bearish side. So we'll just keep monitoring in the 1-hour time frame to get that confirmation, and we start entering our sell orders. So let's try and look at Euro JPY now. Euro JPY right here. Okay, so if we look at Euro JPY, we'll start with the 4-hour time frame right there. Okay, so we have a demand right here. We have this demand which made really good sense on Wednesday right there, when the price touched the demand zone, and we saw a good bounce off to the upside, and it made a good entry opportunity right there. A retest right there that is still moving to the upside, but now we are waiting for a move into the 4-hour supply, which is right here, which is right there. We're waiting for a move into the 4-hour supply, and as soon as we get a rejection of this level, we'll go for the shorts on Euro JPY also. But if it breaks to the upside, we might go for a move to the upward side. But so far we'll just wait till the week starts and we see if we get a rejection there. Hopefully we'll go for the shorts for that one. 1-hour time frame will be more clear to see right there. So we're going to be waiting for a move into this zone to go for the shorts. Always wait for a confirmation, at least in the 1 hour or 30 minutes before making your entries. So let's see GBP JPY. Okay, so this is GBP JPY. We'll check in the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see, GBP JPY, we have a supply zone right here. This is the supply zone for GBP JPY, and the price hasn't reached into the zone. So we're going to wait for this price when the week starts until it hits into this zone, so we can wait for an opportunity to come back to this demand zone right here, because this is our demand zone on GBP JPY. So we're going to wait for price to enter this supply zone right here. As soon as we get a rejection of this zone, at least in the 1 hour time frame, we'll be going for a move to the downside. There will be some opportunities for entry right there, but still, if it breaks to the upside, we'll just wait for confirmation and go for the bullish entries. But as of now, the market structure is just waiting to create that opportunity for to the bearish side. As soon as this zone right here is rejected, the 183 to 183.2 zone right there. So today we'll add in a Swiss CHF JPY, Swiss francs JPY, to see also how the market structure looks like. So this is a 4 hour time frame, and we are looking at a 4 hour supply right there that has a very good rejection. We are looking at a 4 hour supply right there, and on Friday we got a very good rejection in the 4 hour supply right there, and there was opportunity to get into the entry to the downside. Now let's jump into the 1 hour time frame to see properly how this entry was formed. Now this was our 4 hour supply zone right there, and on Friday we got this rejection, and that rejection created an opportunity to go in to enter a sell order right there. It rejected in the 1 hour time frame. Again, it retested and rejected 3 different candles. We are going to the same zone and rejecting. So this was a very good entry. The opportunity was valid, and right now is still valid. So we will come back on Monday and see if we still have an entry right there, and this entry is probably will move until at least to this level, or it will come to this level. So those two levels right there. Here are the 160.3 or 159.1. Those are the two entries we have, the two targets we have on Swiss francs JPY. 160.2 or 159.6. Those are two entries we have right there, and that is at least 120 pips right here, or this is 80 pips right there. So those are the two targets you have on Swiss francs JPY. The order is already valid to enter now we are going to look at one other pair, which is USD JPY. Today we are adding in one new pair, which is USD JPY. So let's see USD JPY. After the long upward trend it had, after all this upward momentum, there was some distribution, because as you can see there was a huge upward move to the upward side, and right now we had a very good distribution of price, and we are waiting for a break of all this sideways movement, because this is a 1 hour chart, and it broke right there on Thursday, retested properly, the zone was rejected, and it created a very good opportunity to enter to the downward side. So this move also was very good, because it was a move for the entire whole of last week. Just on Friday we got if we jump into the 4 hour time frame right here, we can see that there was a demand zone right here exactly. This is a 4 hour demand zone right there that we missed to enter on Friday. But if you jump into the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this zone was rejected properly, and an opportunity to enter on the upward side was created. But right now we will wait for another opportunity. If the price retests back to this level right here, we get a confirmation, a rejection of this level, we'll try to find a move we'll get an opportunity to enter, at least for a move to this point. So if we get a confirmation right there, a rejection of this 4-hour demand zone, if we get at least a 1 hour candle in the rejection of this zone, we'll go for the bullish side, and we'll see if we try to capitalize on that, because USD JPY, if you can look properly, it is moving a very huge numbers right there. Right now you can see that every line here is 50 pips, so you can count, guys. This is at least let's see, 20, 10, 20, 30, this is around 300 pips at least to this level right there. So USD JPY has a good opportunity, so keep an eye on it, guys. As soon as you see this rejection on any time in this week, as soon as you see this rejection of this zone to the upside, just know you have a confirmation to enter on the upward side, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. Let's keep it up, guys.